Hey y'all. Super. Enjoy plenty.
No. You know this go in it though. Cause every time mommy do the introduction, him no want do the introduction.
Okay, so we are back. It's been a long break.
Yeah.
Whose fault is that?
Life happens though.
Yeah, but we are back. And today we are here to do a eating challenge. KFC 9-piece. 9-piece, so that's what? 18 pieces of chicken. So I'm going to see how much I can eat. She's going to see how much she can eat. Yeah? At the end of the day, who eat most wins. So it's...
What? Yeah, show them all.
Oh yeah, corns. So alright, so 9-piece chicken here. We have 3 corns. 3 corns. Yeah. And maybe 1 of the biscuit. Alright? So that's what's up.
Now win you. Me go win. Trust me. Just say 1 of this too?
Huh? Yeah, 1 biscuit. 1
too?
biscuit. Plus 9-piece chicken. 9 pieces of chicken.
Boy.
So
I'm gonna be so. Oh, you have to say
what?
it's cheat day.
Oh yeah man, it's cheat day. So this is how we spend our cheat day. Cheat day, right?
When you say cheat day, that will be a cheat. This is a real big cheat day, no babe.
Real big cheat day. This is like we will put out the amount of calories after everything. So this is a lot. So
I'm gonna gain back about 10 pounds though, babe.
it's just for the day.
And you know what gonna happen now?
Tomorrow we'll be back on our
in the
diet.
gym. So tomorrow in the gym now you gonna remind me. You know you had how many different pieces of chicken yesterday? You are going to have to work it off. Come work. I know, right? Alright, let's go.
That's number 1.
Mhm.
So we're gonna wash down all of this with some good old water.
I guess me I get one head start.
Yeah, go ahead.
I know how fast, right? I guess how much, right?
Yeah, how much? You're how fast though? Huh? Okay, here we go. What first? Breast. Let me get me some breast. Let me take my skin up. Less calories, less fat. You don't want that, babe?
No, my goodness. One fish down.
Are you ready? Race is not for this way. Those who can.
I ate in my thing here. My biscuit. How many times you eating the chicken? The chicken you got eat?
Getting the fiber, you know.
Oh man, the battery, no, card was full. So half of what we were recording didn't get recorded. But
Such a
good
bummer.
news. Good news, good news, good news. I'm in the lead with 5 pieces of chicken down. I've eaten 2 corns already. See? I've eaten my 2 corns. And I just have this amount of corn left. See? And I eat 5 pieces of chicken. This is what mussels have left. Corn.
That actually finished.
No, look, corn on it still, it's not finished. And corn and corn. I biscuit. I eat how much piece of chicken?
4.
So I am in the lead, guys. Woo! So comment below who you're cheering for and we continue. Okay.
See,
Okay.
corn finished. So this is what, 2 corn? A 2?
You have 2 more left.
No, it's 3 corn.
So I have 2 more for eat.
Some eat 2.
How for eat 2, babe?
And you have 1 more.
No, dear.
You
Here.
ate 3 corn already?
Yes, this is my 3rd corn.
You lie.
Now pay
Okay.
attention in school.
You sure you want to try hot sauce on it?
I mean, I need no sauce.
Just one little bit. See? You have all that there.
Because that is actually my box. He has. Okay, get some water. So you're dealing with me? Alright, so this is my 6th piece of chicken. What?
Oh. Let's look at it. Taste it. Taste it. Take a bite now. Take a bite. Just take that piece here.
You think you're smart? So this is how much of my 6. I'm seeing it have all of my corn. See?
Here you go.
And I don't have any biscuit leaf. It says 1 biscuit we're supposed to eat. Okay. So, wait. Hold on, no.
You have barbecue in there?
You want barbecue?
No.
You want to eat this with? This is still my 6th piece of chicken, actually. Come here, I will finish moving. So 6.
I see over there cheat. Alright. What's going on here now? What should I eat? Let me go for this spicy.
Alright, so let's get this video up to 20 likes. For 20 likes, we'll do another eating challenge. What we can eat next?
Huh?
What we can eat next?
We can eat next? Oh yeah, babe.
Nothing.
Oh.
And by the way, subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. It's very easy, and you just click the red button, there's the subscribe mark, and just click it, and then you turn on the notification thing that you're going to see pop up. You don't have to pay for it, just click it. Things like that. It's not hard. Just put the mouse on it, the cursor, and right click. And a bite.
Yeah, look, somebody to eat. Help you eat. Yeah, remember me.
That was smacking. How much that is?
So that's officially 6 pieces of chicken.
See that?
Alright, so I'm going to eat my 7th piece of chicken now.
Okay, that's it, Mr. Fast.
After 6 comes 7, babes.
But you don't know 6 yet?
But What? Me just eat the wing?
I'm not gonna chew no nothing. That's cheese now. How you pay 7% chicken? Okay, lady.
It's true. Okay, so let my hairstyle. I'm in love with it. I'm in love. You like it?
Yeah.
It make me look cute though.
It's me picking out for your babes though. Of course you got it good. Hold on.
Where I go?
Let me show you the way forward. Alright. Ready again, let's go. Watch this. Size 7 piece.
You can't reach us, you're so light. It's like, what is it, no, fifth? Your fifth piece? It's your fifth piece?
Right, so I have 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces in my box. 3.
No, because that's my box.
So that means
Alright,
5, 6.
before we start,
7,
I had 1 piece of chicken.
7, 7. Well, I said about 3 how much?
10.
10.
It might try to confuse the thing, right, people? I did eat 1 piece of chicken before we started, right? So, that 1 piece added into my 7. Him have my box over here at top, but let's say we get some extra chicken in the box. Because I'm going to show you the bone and stuff when we finish. That is true, I eat the top for true. I'm going to really show you guys the bone. But I'm eating my 7th piece of chicken now, and we have enough chicken left. Who wants some?
You want some? You want some? You want a bite of the spicy, what is this, rib? Look at it. Isn't this yummy?
The piece of best of dry, man.
Isn't this yummy scrumptious? Take a bite.
You know satisfy me and win you?
Look at it. I think this was going to be an easy blowout.
So you're conceding?
No, never.
I'm not giving me winnings, babe.
No. See your face.
Babe, your belly full?
Where all the food there go? Huh?
You give up?
No.
You give up, babes?
No. No. No, serious. No, serious. No, seriously, look. Look to me now. No, serious, look. Just look. What?
I just have a box full of chicken.
No.
Where I put the chicken?
We don't put no chicken in their box. We don't put no chicken in their box. Look there. Look. Look now. Sure. You're no fun. Never sit down.
Babes, admit it, your belly full. Alright.
Focus. Look at that focus.
The focus.
No, look at something on the screen. Like you want to wipe off the lens.
Oh my, it's good.
They belly grows up. See, are you full? You want some hot sauce? Nice.
Look, it's finished. It was bone leaf, look.
Just want to eat the bone.
Mm-mm.
Let me eat my bone. I think I'm a pretty business thing this. I'm gonna eat the bone. And you have some people call KFC and use pop.
And Pizza Hut I use knife and
And
fork.
what pizza Hut I use knife and fork.
Especially when it's a first date.
Nah, that's what. Who use fork to eat KFC chicken? Huh?
Who use knife and fork to eat pizza? Comment below. You are one of them? So 7 down. Clap me! Woo!
5, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can never eat 7%?
I tell you, this is not my box,
I
man.
have 3, look.
See my box over here, so.
But no, you can't
It's
switch.
my box,
You can't switch now.
but it's my box.
No.
But it's my
Give me.
No, but it's my box.
Look, let me show them.
No!
You see that?
Guys, no, right?
Chicken in there. Let it go. Come.
Guys, I tell you, it's 7 pieces for. I'm gonna show you guys. My bones versus his bones. He's lying.
Because I eat my bone, that's why she have, we have more bone than me.
I can't even show you because it can't lift up.
Okay, so my bone.
I'm gonna put it on this. I can show you guys. Look. Look. These are my 3 corns. Of course, I'm not going to the biscuit no more because it's done in my belly. See there?
Well, me drink more water than you.
That's not true.
Of course.
So you win? So me win? Look, guys. Look at it. Look at my bones. Look at it. This is the evidence right here. I'm sorry, so the camera in the record this because the thing did full. So you can't come go and like say you know macho man up in this.
You're still recording, right?
Yes. Look, see guys. This is 7 pieces of chicken worth of bone.
It's because
There's
you don't
my 3
eat.
corns.
You're supposed to eat your bones. Look at mine, Jean.
So where you just swallow the bone them, man?
Yeah, see there?
Yeah.
My bone them a little bit, cause
You not eat so much?
no, come eat my bone.
So babes, seriously Ray, who win? Who win? Admit it babes, because you cannot eat anymore, you're going to throw up. Who win? Who win?
Evidence do not lie. Look
Who
at
win?
it. Wait, no,
Wait,
make the people them decide. Evidence not lie. Watch this.
Wait, who
Wait,
win?
no, watch this. Look. Me have 3 pieces of chicken. Zine, 1 when I touch it. 2 when I touch it.
But
And wait. And this one, half.
but in any case, even if
Look at this. Wait, let me finish. Let me
Wait,
finish.
don't
No,
count
let me
them.
finish my case. And look at this. 1. You can see it. 1, 2, 3. See there?
No, but it's
3
not.
whole a piece.
But in any
So-
case, guys, I already eat my 3 corns and my biscuit. Him still have biscuit and him still have 2 corn. Babes, just give me the give me some water.
No, choke.
No, seriously, guys, I'm not lying for real. I eat 7 pieces of chicken and him don't want to admit it. Him don't want to admit it. Just admit it now. Oh God, we can't believe you.
Alright, fine. It's not like them are gonna believe you. You're too cute, eat so much chicken. They're not gonna believe you.
So, I won.
Whatever.
So that is actually my box, guys. This is my box. You want me to eat one more piece then?
Let me feel the belly. No.
I'm so stumped. For real, but look. Compare the buns again, Ryan. Compare. Look. Look. Look at my garbage.
What's that green thing in my box?
Let me see. Oh, the bottle top up for the water.
Oh.
But look at my garbage. Flat out your box so they can see. Flat out like how mine flat out.
Yeah. Flat out. A skin this is not no chicken. See there, skin.
And it likes me eat my skin too. Look, see guys, look at my box in comparison to his. So who won? I did 7 pieces of chicken versus 5 pieces of chicken. Mr. Muscles over here.
Well, guess what? I'm sorry for you tomorrow. Okay, I got to go take a punishment by energy. So prepare for work it off tomorrow. You're greedy no man, you eat so much chicken.
What?
You eat so much chicken. Oh, you're greedy so. Think it would be an easy blow to me.
Poor you.
I go sleep.
You go
I'm so stuck.
Hush, and you only eat 5 pieces and 1 little piece of corn. And you thought it would be out?
Guess what I eat before? I pre-ate.
You pre-ate what?
I pre-ate before this challenge.
This does, but I ate
Hence
too.
the reason her
But
victory.
I ate too. I ate too. What?
Whatever.
The bakes though. So you want to have a rematch another time?
Sure.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, see though.
What are you going to do?
No, it's not okay, see, you know.
You feel guilty? You feel guilty?
Yeah.
Me too.
Go and gym.
Me too. Come on.
Go
Gym lock already. Okay guys, so if you'd like to see more challenges like this, go ahead and click the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And comment below who you are cheering for. And you also can comment and say which other eating challenge you'd like us to do. Why is your phone making so much noise?
It's just a nice phone.
Okay. Alright. We'll be coming with another challenge soon, but I won't tell you what that is. Have anything to say to them? Say, I lost. Say it.
Yeah.
I lost to a girl. Say
We
it.
just give her the winnings.
She did not
We just give her the winnings, yo.
Admit it though.
Alright. Yeah, she won. She won.
Crown me. Crown me. Crown me.
Later, I'll crown you.
Alright guys, until next time. Bye. Yes. I'm not doing that one. No.
Come, do it, come. You do it too fast, straight up.
You're such a... I don't know what to call you. Okay guys, until next time. Bye.